I want to go and make my hair today. This is the box that I usually put my hair stuffs. Like, there are a lot of hair things inside there, and some are not here because they can't fit into it. So this one is the shampoo I use, shampoo and conditioner. This one is almost finished, but I have a new one, and this one I've not opened it. I think I should just pour some, like there's little inside this other one. Maybe I should just pour some into that one because this bottle is heavy. I don't want to carry load. Let me carry it like that, Joe. So this is the other one I have. This is my conditioner. So let me just do fast, I beg. Let me rush and pack my son's. My son is also following me. Pack my son's what they call it, clipper, and off I go. And this is the relaxer I use, Mega Growth. And yeah, I think I'm done. Let me quickly get something to eat and head out because I want to go on time. That place that they barb my son's hair, we've been barbing our hair there for like 5 years now. 5 years. Okay? How old is my son? Yeah, my son will be 6 next year. So we've been barbing our hair for, let's say, 4 years. That's where we started barbing our hair, and we barb our hair like 2 times in a term. Start of school, and then maybe they have any events, because my boy has this edges, this front hair, like where his main hair grows is different from his edges. So I don't want anybody to help me and shift my child's edges before, you know, we start having bad hair that he did not have originally. I don't like all those kind of barbing. So they already know that they don't touch his baby hair in front. They leave it intact because that one grows differently, the texture is different. I'll show you. And the main hair grows differently from the front hair. Like, is that obvious? I'll insert a clip, or when we're done barbing, you will just see what I'm talking about. So I don't like to send him, rather, I don't like to use any other barber apart from them. Like, they get it. So, and they're very good. The crowd that used to be there, if you don't go on time, you can stay there for hours. They don't rush to barb hair. They are not looking for too much money. They are not doing rush to say, okay, the next person, let's collect money. No, they take their time. And today that is Saturday, I want to go on time so that they can just barb his hair on time, and then I go and fix my nails and loosen my hair and wash it. I'm not making my hair. I just want to relax the hair and just pack it into a bun. I know how to do all those edges with my normal hair and pack it properly. So that's what I want to do. Enough of the talk. Let's go. This one is too much. Chinekele. do what?
If you do me like that, I'm going to fall inside that place.
Let me see. I'm going to fall inside which place? Just stay well. Oh, you will not listen to your mommy. Always listen to your mommy. Not like this. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Ah, this one scrubbing. No. Okay. She cannot lose my hair, yeah, but she wants to do something.
She wants to get water, so she wants to fetch her.
Okay.
Our tap is spoiled.
Okay. And she cannot lose my hair, yeah, babe.
She can lose the hair, but she's coming.
Okay. So I will use it to kill time now.
Yeah, she's coming. Make her fetch her.
Okay.
So you don't put that slide. And there's no money in your shop, but after they carry your phone and your...
They can tip like that.
Eh?
They can tip like that, yeah.
No, they don't steal, but you know now, this season is festive season.
I
might
know
not be boys
cheap, oh.
around, you might be people outside.
Coming,
Somebody might just pass now.
this place is open. It's true.
The boys around don't steal. It's outside that will come and do what they want. I want to see you. Or someone just see phone now. Hey, madam, how much for... You just distract me as you now. But you know one phone is missing. Stand up and fold it. Don't let that girl spoil my charger. The grace when mama take carry us to
Yes. I want buy orange, but I don't get cash. How we go do? They collect transfer. Where I go come do transfer like this? You know that they collect transfer for you. You can find POS. You can find POS. You go pay for me. Okay. I want to eat. I don't know if you remember, this is the soup that I was saying I want to make one day. But I've already made the tutorial of this soup. It's on my video. I will link it. I've been saying it. Make this soup, and you'll be making this soup all the time. It's my friend that introduced it to me, and more. The soup is souping. It bangs. I can't even lie. Try it. So you guys, this is the nails. Not bad. This is how it looks. I love it. It looks good. Really looks good.